Hi, this is a do-it-yourself tablet holder that goes under the counter. I was disappointed that there's no such thing in the market. Well, the ones that are in the market, however, are very big and bulky. This one, slide right up when I'm not using a tablet or slide back down when I need it. The tablet is being held together by a frictional hinge. It's similar to the ones that you see in the laptop. This one can only hold things at 90 degrees only. So here's 0 degree, here's 90 degree, and it cannot go 180 because it will hit this frame right here. I love using this tablet in the kitchen. That way I can always control the music. Or I can always look at the cameras that's sitting outside. Or I can always jump the cameras to the one that's sitting in the kids' bedroom. This is the Amazon 7-inch tablet. The reason why I chose this is because that all of the buttons are on one side and all of the wirings are on one side as well. So you have power, you have headphone jack that I will connect to the stereo later on. That way you don't have wires coming out here, wires coming out here. It's all on one side. The tablet was $50, but once in a while you can find it on sale for $30. The hinge is really simple. There's two holes, and I basically screw a metal plate to it, and I use a two-part epoxy to hold the metal plate to the tablet. So yeah, this thing is permanently hold on together by the epoxy. It's not going anywhere. The only way that you can take it down is with this two screws to the metal plate, or the two screws that's holding onto the cabinet right there. All right, if you like this setup, feel free to donate directly to my PayPal account, so that way I can do more DIY stuff. Or if you don't want to build this tablet setup yourself, then you can always buy directly from me, I guess. Feel free to ask me any questions down below at the comments. Thank you.